Hey guys, it's me Pondakal, and in this video I'm going to show you how lots of people are making money with affiliate marketing by using this free strategy, and I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can follow along with me in this video. So the offer that I have selected to as an example for this video is Swagbox Sorbet, and it will pay $1.220, $1.20 for everyone who sign ups to this platform that is called Swagbox. Now your purpose is to bring the people to sign up to this platform and you will get paid $1.20. Now you may think that this $1.20 is too little money, okay, but it will quickly add up if you are able to bring lots of people, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So watch this video till the end, and if you are new to this channel then please do subscribe and do like this video, and if you have any questions regarding this video then please do comment in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to answer you. So without doing any delay, let's get started. So this is an offer that is available in a platform that is called Max Bounty. So this is a CPA network, and Max Bounty has lots of sorbet offers, okay. So you can simply sign up to this platform and it is free to sign up to Max Bounty. And if you haven't an account on Max Bounty, then I would definitely suggest you to create an account on Max Bounty. And once you go inside Max Bounty, then once you log in inside Max Bounty, then you'll be able to get this offer, that is Swagbox. Now there are other CPA network that you can join and still get this kind of your affiliate link for Swagbox. Now with the method that I am going to show you, you just cannot only promote sorbet, you can promote anything you like, okay. Let's say you have any other ClickBank account or Digistore account, then you can even promote the product and services that are available in that platform with this method. So let's select this offer as an example, and next thing you can do is go to medium.com and sign up to medium.com. It is absolutely free, and in medium.com you simply need to post article. Now you may think that I hate writing this kind of articles, then no problem, I'm going to show you a free way and a paid way to automatically generate article that will be legit to use in this platform, okay. So here you can see lots of people have posted in medium.com about Swagbox, okay. So now you can see, so if I show you an article that is written by Kitty, how to make money with Swagbox in less than 24 hours. So she have written something here, you can read it, and if you scroll below, then you can see she have kept her affiliate link at here. So now it is not necessary to put this much down your affiliate link, okay. You can literally put your affiliate link anywhere in the middle, or you can also type here sign up for Swagbox and get some get $5 sign up bonus, $2 sign up bonus. If the Swagbox is providing sign up bonus, you can write that thing and highlight and give your link in this way, okay. So once you start to put this kind of article, then medium.com is visited by millions of people per month from United States, Canada, UK and India, and more. There may be more country, but you can keep on posting this kind of article in a specific niche. Let's say you are putting article related to sorbet site, then just put articles related to sorbet sites and you will be able to promote your affiliate link for free. So now the question arises, like how you can generate articles for free. So if you search on Google about this articlegenerator.org, or you can also type in Google like free article generators, then you will see this kind of sites. Now here you can simply put a keyword here. Now let's put Swagbox and search mode public, everything is fine, and click on generate article. So now let's wait for some time. Now you can see new Swagbox Swago game mean 2 to 9, and there are article written, okay. Similar new Swagbox Swago game April 18 to 25, and here is an article written. Similarly, earn easy money with cashback app, eyewitness wants to know, okay. So now what you can do is you can simply copy and you can, let's go to home, okay. So let's click on this right, and what you can do is simply copy this thing and paste it in the title, and copy the article, either full or the part of the article that you would like to write, and simply put it in here. So let's put this intro at here. Okay, and after that, let's click on this plus button and click on this new part. And again, now let's copy some of this text and paste it in this way. And then just let's say sign up to Blackbox and get $1 points. So let's say you wrote this. Now you can do what you can do is you can simply highlight this and click on this, and let's say for now this is your affiliate link for an example. So, okay, so again let's highlight it, put this and paste your link at here. Okay, and leave it. So now it has got your affiliate link. So now whenever someone clicks at here, then they will be able to sign up to this platform Swagbox, and you will be get paid this pre-decided amount, that is $1.20. So this was the one way to generate a free article, and you can simply click on publish and it will be published. So now the next way that you can generate the article, and which is more better, it is writesonic.com. Sorry, writesonic.com. You can simply visit to this site and sign up to this platform, and you will get 10 credits. So I have already used 3 credits at here, but this is a paid platform, so you need to buy this kind of credit or be in their monthly plan. It starts from $15 per month. So now writing an article in WriteSonic is extremely easy. So firstly, you just sign up and log into this WriteSonic. It is absolutely free, and then you click on this AI article, and then this 3.0 is a little bit costly, so you can select AI article writer 2.0, and then here you need to give the title. So let's say make money with Swagbox. So let's put just this, make money with Swagbox. So now you can give this topic and click on generate ideas, and you will see Swagbox, how to make money with Swagbox. Swagbox, the ultimate guide to earning free gift cards. Okay, so this kind of any title you can select, just click on select, and then next step would be to generate intro. So it will cost you 1 credit. So click on generate intros, and you'll see some of the intros, whichever you like, simply click on that. Okay, and you can see Swagbox is an online reward program that allows you to earn points for online activities like, okay, so this is cool. And then now it's time for creating outlines. So click on generate outlines. Outline means that subheading, like make money by taking survey, by watching video, paid offer, Swagbox. So whichever you would like. Okay, Swagbox, get paid to watch videos. So you can click on this. Okay, so now in third step you will need like write an article. You need 6 credit, okay, to generate a full article at here, but I don't have 6 credit at here, so I've just signed up to this and just tested this platform also to show you how this works. Now what you can do is, if you have credit, then you can simply click on write an article, or if you have a shortage of the credit, then you will be taken at here, and you can take their paid plan, $15 per month, up to 100 credit. You can get up to 100 credit, and you can easily create like up to 8-9 full articles with this kind of credit, up to 50k words. And if you scroll below, and if you don't want to go with their monthly plan, then you can select here up to 50 credit. You can buy for $25, or you can also buy 100 credit for $45, and so on. Okay, so in this way you can buy this kind of credit and create a article that is not just like robotic. It doesn't sound like robotic. Okay, if you read this text, it sounds like actual human have written this article. And then what you can do is you can simply copy and again repeat the process. Just put your title in this way, and intro maybe at here. So as you can see in here, we have generated an intro. sorry, here it's, so this is the intro. You copy and make this, sorry, so let's delete this and make this intro and full text at here and put this kind of link. And so after completing this, and once your article is published, then the authority of medium.com is pretty high, and most people who are searching about Swagbox in Google or either even in Medium, or even these articles are shown to people in their feeds like the way that we were shown in this way, and people will click and watch. So that's why the title is extremely important. So in this way you can post the article in medium.com and provide your link and be able to make good amount of money with this offer. Now you can do it with any other affiliate offer that you want, but a free thing can be more enticing for people who are reading this kind of articles. That's why I showed you about this Swagbox survey site. So I hope you like this video, and if you think you got value from this video, please do like this video and do subscribe to my channel. And this much altogether I wanted to show you in this video. Take care, have a great day, bye bye.